When NASA's James Webb Space Telescope looks deep into space, it captures images that are both breathtaking and mysterious. One such image is so puzzling that it's left astronomers baffled. These dots are not stars, but rather galaxies similar to our own Milky Way. They are extremely far away, and their light has been stretched and distorted by the gravitational forces of the void, making them appear as red dots. The void itself is not empty. It is filled with matter, but it is so incredibly dense that not even light can escape its grasp. The strength of this force depends on the mass of the objects and the distance between them. We can only observe its gravitational effects. It is thought to make up 27% of the entire universe. Now let's imagine a massive black hole. A black hole is an object with a very strong gravitational pull. The answer lies in the nature of black holes themselves. By studying the void, scientists hope to learn more about the fundamental laws of physics and the nature of the universe itself. They want to know what is inside the void and how it is connected to other parts of the universe. Or is there a more scientific explanation behind it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Your support helps us continue to produce quality content, and we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. They also want to know how the void is growing and what will happen as it continues to expand. But the truth is that we may never know for sure. The void is a place where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down. It is a realm of mystery and wonder that lies beyond our understanding. All we can do is observe it from afar and try to piece together its secrets. Black holes are not just objects with strong gravitational pull. They are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape its grasp, not even light. This means that once something crosses the event horizon of a black hole, there is no way out. It is forever trapped inside. As a result, black holes are incredibly efficient at growing. They pull in matter and energy from their surroundings and use it to increase their mass. Over billions of years, a black hole can grow to be millions or even billions of times larger than our Sun. And when a black hole gets this big, it starts to warp the fabric of space-time around it. It creates a region of space where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down. This means that the void is not just a black hole. It is a portal to another dimension, a gateway to another universe, or perhaps even a wormhole that connects to distant points in our own universe. Its gravity is so strong that not even light can escape its grasp. If a black hole were to form in the early universe, it would have pulled in all the matter around it, including dark matter. Some believe that the void is a portal to other dimensions or universes, and that by studying it, we may be able to learn more about the nature of reality itself. Others believe that the void contains the answers to some of the deepest questions in physics, such as the origin of the universe and the nature of dark matter and dark energy. Only time will tell what secrets the void is hiding. And as scientists continue to study it, we may just find that the universe is even more mysterious and wondrous than we ever imagined. This means that a black hole could have a tremendous amount of mass without us being able to see it. In fact, scientists believe that supermassive black holes, which can have masses of millions or even billions of times greater than our Sun, are responsible for the formation of galaxies. They act as seeds for galaxy formation, pulling in gas and dust that eventually forms into stars and planets. The more massive an object is, the stronger its gravitational pull. Scientists believe that the void is actually a supermassive black hole that has grown to be much larger than the surrounding galaxies. It is so massive that its gravity has distorted the fabric of space-time, creating a region where the laws of physics as we know them simply do not apply. This means that the void is not just a simple black hole. It is a gateway to a realm of unimaginable wonders. A place where the laws of physics are different from our own and where anything is possible. And the closer the objects are to each other, the stronger the gravitational force between them. So now, let's put these two forces together. As space expands, the distance between galaxies increases. This means that the gravitational force between galaxies should decrease. However, we observe that many galaxies are still held together by gravity, even though they are very far apart. This suggests that there must be some sort of invisible substance that is providing an extra source of gravity. This mysterious substance is known as dark matter. This makes it invisible to the human eye and most telescopes, including the powerful James Webb Space Telescope. However, the Webb telescope is so advanced that it can detect the gravitational effects of the void on the surrounding galaxies, revealing its presence to us. At first glance, it appears to be an empty expanse of nothingness, but upon closer inspection, it reveals something that shouldn't exist. They had never seen anything like this before. The void was massive, covering an area of space that was 30 times larger than our own galaxy, and it was incredibly dense, containing several trillion stars. But there was one thing that didn't make sense. According to the laws of physics, such a large void should not be possible. It defied all known astronomical laws and pushed the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. It was as if they were witnessing a true miracle of the cosmos. A giant void in space that shouldn't be real. What is going on here? Is this the beginning of the universe? Did we just find a portal to another dimension, or perhaps even another universe? The possibilities are endless, but one thing is for sure: this is not your average black hole. The image captured by the Webb telescope shows a massive void surrounded by bright red dots. At first, astronomers were completely baffled by what they were seeing. So what exactly is this giant void in space, and how did it come to be? To understand what we are dealing with, let's take a step back and explore the nature of space itself. Space is not empty. It is filled with a substance known as dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious force that makes up 68% of the entire universe. It is invisible, and we know very little about it. But we do know that it is constantly pushing space apart at an accelerating rate. This means that the more we look into space, the farther away everything seems to be. It also means that the universe is expanding at an ever-increasing rate. Now, let's take a look at gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls objects towards each other. Dark matter is a form of matter that we cannot see directly. So what does all of this have to do with the giant void in space? But why is this happening? What is causing the void to grow so large and distort space-time in such a dramatic way? The James Webb Space Telescope is just one of the many tools that scientists are using to study this mysterious void. However, there are those who believe that the void may hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. What do you think? Is this giant void in space really a portal to another dimension or universe? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.